Are you tired of using mediocre hair straighteners that can't keep up with your styling needs? But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Hot Tools Black Gold 2000W. It's a total game changer. Therefore, if you're looking for an upgrade from those flimsy flat irons, stick around because we're about to dive into whether this powerhouse of a product is worth the extra dough. For the best price, click the link in the description. /N. As someone who's used their fair share of hair straighteners, I know what makes a great one. It's all about performance, durability, and styling versatility. And let me tell you, this baby has got it all. With its impressive 2000W power output and advanced ceramic coating, this straightener is the real deal. But don't just take my word for it. The Hot Tools Black Gold 2000W has been raving reviews from beauty enthusiasts everywhere, but can it live up to the hype? Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive deeper into what makes this straightener so special. One thing I love about the Black Gold is its intuitive design. It's incredibly easy to use, even for those with limited styling experience. However, what really sets this straightener apart from the rest is its incredible heat control. The 2000W power output allows for precision temperature adjustments, ensuring that your locks get the perfect amount of heat without getting damaged in the process. Therefore, if you're looking to add some serious glamour to your hair game, keep reading. We've got all the juicy details on whether this straightener is worth breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth the extra cash? Well, let me put it this way. Have you ever tried to straighten your hair with a subpar flat iron? It's like trying to tame a wild beast, impossible. But with the Hot Tools Black Gold 2000W, you'll be saying goodbye to frizz and hello to salon-quality locks in no time. But what about the durability of this straightener? Can it withstand the rigors of daily use? I've been using mine for weeks now, and I'm happy to report that it still looks brand new. The ceramic coating is not only easy on my hair, but also protects the device itself from damage. Therefore, you can bet your bottom dollar that this straightener will last you a long time. However, don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at what some of the other beauty enthusiasts have to say. I was blown away by how quickly and evenly it heated up. My hair looks amazing. /N. It's so easy to use and clean. I've never been happier with a hair straightener. /N. I'm obsessed with this product. My hair has never looked better. But what about the price? Is it really worth shelling out that much cash for? Let me put it this way. When you consider all the money you'll save in the long run on bad hair days and mediocre styling products, this straightener is a total steal. Therefore, if you're looking to invest in a high-quality product that will last you years to come, look no further than the Hot Tools Black Gold 2000W. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to say goodbye to frizz and hello to salon-quality locks with the Hot Tools Black Gold 2000W. For the best price, click the link in the description.